The more I wait it out, the heavier it seems to get. It got heavy once. I thought, okay, I'll just wait till it eases up. And then it just eased up. I'm standing up, stretching, getting ready to leave. And now it's coming down again. It's weird. Maybe you heard it. It was like, I was just howling for the owls. See my breath. You can see way over there, there's like a thin haze coming up off the grass. It's a golf course. It's awesome. It's like a mist. They can see this light from a mile away. He already knows I'm here. I did a call. It was like the sun was just going down. I shoved it right in your face there. Hey man, how you doing? When the sun was going down, I was walking out here. I did a call so you hear me, right? Because they're normally awake. They're waking up. They're just waiting for it to get dark so they can hunt. Some of them hunt rarely during the day. You'll see a great horned owl. Here is like right now this tree line. I was over there last night. So I just assumed that that's where he might have his roost. Right on the golf course. Yeah, the rain's letting up. You can feel the humidity, and with the cold, it's like damp, very damp. Like obviously it's damp when it rains, but in the air. It was like 11 today, so it wasn't that chilly. So everything got kind of a little bit warm, and since the sun dropped, now it's raining, it's making it humid, very humid. Couldn't even really do the owl call that well. Okay, peoples. My adventure awaits.